In this problem, we have to find 6-digit number that can be found with the help of 659942, and it is given a condition, that is how many of these is divisible by 4. So first you will understand how many of these 6-digit number that we can form. So we can write it as equal to, since we are having total number of digits that is given as 6, so we will write it as equal to 6 factorial, but if you can see 9 is repeating itself, so we will divide it with 2 factorial. So we will write it as equal to 6 5 4 3, and then you will write the value as 5 4s are 20, 6 3s are 18, and you will get the answer as equal to 360. Now we have to understand how many of them are divisible by 4. So let's check. For divisibility rule, let's check the divisibility rule of 4. For making any number that is divisible by 4, we have to check the last 2 digit of that number. If the last 2 digit of that number is divisible by 4, then we can say the total number is divisible by 4. Now, if you can see, if you are taking the first number, we can take it as equal to 24. 24 is a number which we can say that is divisible by 4. And the second thing that you will get from here, that is equal to 52. And the third thing that you will get as 56. Fourth one can be written as 64, and we are having 92, and at last we are having 96. So all these numbers that you can see will be treated as the last digit number, by which we can say the number is divisible by 4. So if we are taking 24 as the last 2 digit, so we are having the remaining number that is given as 4. So we can write this one as 4 factorial, but 9 is repeating itself 2 times, so we will write this 4 factorial by 2 factorial. Similarly, for 52, we are having the last 2 digit as 52, so we will write it as equal to 4 factorial by 2 factorial. Now the next one, you will see it again, you will get the value as 4 factorial by 2 factorial, and for 64 also you will get the value as 4 factorial by 2 factorial. But now we are having 92. In this 92, we are taking the number from 2 nines and we are writing it here as 92, which means that we are having 4 numbers, but now we are not having any clone of that number, so we will write here the value as 4 factorial, and this one can be written as 4 factorial. So now we will understand what is the total number of arrangement that you will get. So you will write it as equal to 4 factorial by 2 factorial, and that should be multiplied with 4, because 4 factorial by 2 factorial come as 4 times. So we will multiply 4 factorial by 2 factorial multiply with 4. And 4 factorial is coming as 2 times, so we will multiply 4 factorial into 2. So let's solve this one. So 2 factorial can cancel this one, you will get the value as 2. So 4 factorial into 2, 4 factorial into 2. So you will get the value as 4 into 4 factorial. 4 into 4, 3, 2, and you will get 4 4s are 16, 3 2s are 6. The total number of observation that you will get, that is equal to 96.